Hi everybody, this is Cristina from the Frangipani room and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making one of my absolute favourite foods, but before we start cooking we need to go and wash our hands. So let's go over to the sink and get some soap for our hands and give them a good rub. Just because we're at home doesn't mean that we don't wash our hands. We still need to wash our hands before we start cooking and eating all the time. So rub the soap on and then we rinse them under the tap, just like that, in between our fingers. We wash away all those germs. Very important. Give them a shake. I've got my tea towel to dry them off. So, now I wonder if you can tell what we're going to make today. Let's have a look at my ingredients. I have some mushrooms, I have some black olives, I have some ham, and I have some mozzarella cheese. I have 1 tin of tomato, and I also have a pizza base. So we are making, hands up, pizza! Now pizza, I love pizza. Now you can choose any topping that you like when you make your pizza at home. So have a think about the things that you like to put on. There are so many different things that you can put on there. So there's no wrong or right when it comes to pizza. It's all about the things that you enjoy to eat. But the first thing we need to do is we need to make our tomato sauce. So I'm going to get my tin of tomatoes, and you could even use tomato paste if you find that at the supermarket. I'm going to pour it into a bowl. So pour all the way in. Give it a tap at the bottom. And then I'm going to add a little pinch of salt to my tomato. Not too much, just a little bit, a little sprinkle over the top. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to pour it in very carefully. There we go. And then I'm going to give everything a big stir with my spoon. I'm going to go round and round until the tomatoes, the salt and the oil have all combined into one mixture. Yummy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the tomato sauce over the top of the base. So, shall we do some counting? Shall we count how many dollops of sauce it would take to cover my pizza base? So we've got 1 dollop, and we'll spread it out a little bit. 2 dollops, spread it out. 3 dollops. What comes after 3? Who knows? After 3 comes 4. We've got 4 dollops. Oh, I think we might need another one. After 4 comes 5 dollops. I'm spreading it all out. I'm using my spoon. I want it all over the base. There we go. And one last one. Beautiful. Now, we've done that. And now we're going to put on our toppings. So I'm going to start with the mushrooms. Now, these mushrooms that I got at the supermarket were already cut. But sometimes when we buy mushrooms at the supermarket, they're the little round things. And you need to slice them up with a knife if they're not cut for you. And Mummy can help you with the knife. You ask a grown-up if you're not too confident, because it can be tricky using a knife. So I put them, spread them out all over my pizza base. This is going to be my lunch today. Yummy. And then I'm going to add some black olives. Do you like black olives? My children love black olives. So I can use a fork to get in and just piece them. These olives have had the little stone removed, but sometimes when you get olives, the stones are still inside. So you just need to be a little bit careful when eating olives so that you don't bite into the stone. could even use green olives. I like all olives. I think they're delicious. And now we're going to do some ham. I need to slice my ham up. So I'm going to grab a few slices of ham like this, and with my knife I'm going to cut them up. So slice, slice, slice. I make sure that my fingers are away from the knife. Slice, slice, slice. And then I'll do one more slice like that. And then I will put them over the top, over the top, over the top, over the top like that. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. So my packet is already opened up and I'm going to sprinkle some cheese over the top. Sprinkle, sprinkle. It's like little snowflakes. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle. A little bit more. Shall we put a little bit more in? Just one last bit. There we go. These are my toppings. Now I'm going to just put a little bit of olive oil just over the top. And what that does, it just makes all my ingredients nice and soft, and it makes the cheese all nice and golden and melted. So I'm going to pop this into my oven now. My oven is very hot because I have turned it on. And always ask a grown-up when you go to the oven, because ovens, when they're hot, they can be very dangerous. And we don't want to put our hands in there because we don't want to get burnt. So I'm going to put this in. Just like that. And that's going to be my lunch for today, and I can't wait to eat it. So maybe you would like to write up a little shopping list to go with when you go with Mummy to the supermarket, and have a think about all the ingredients that you would like on your pizza. Or another thing you could do is if you don't know how to write them, maybe you could draw pictures of the foods that you like to put onto your pizza. You could even get some old catalogues from the supermarket, like from Coles or Woolworths, and you can look for the pictures in the catalogue, or maybe even an old magazine if Mummy says it's okay, and you can cut out the pictures that you like and then glue them onto a piece of paper and say, Mummy, this is my shopping list. These are the things that I would like on my pizza, and that will help you to remember. So I hope that you enjoyed making pizza with me today, and I will see you again next time. Bye everyone.